Hello, my name is Lorenzo Francisco. I'm going to show you how to complete a Rubik's Cube. The first step is to get all the edge pieces to make a cross to complete the Rubik's Cube. Here's a edge piece, and right here you go up and up. And over here and right here. Now you just got, when you get the cross, you have to complete the edge pieces. It's green, orange, and yellow. Green, orange, and yellow. Go right in the middle, down in the middle, right down. And white, orange, and green. Right in the middle, down in the middle, right down. Red and white. Red, white, and green. Right over there, down over there, right down. And the last one, right over there, down over there, right down. And that's your first algorithm. The blue one, when you do an algorithm, you kind of mess up the green side. So this red and yellow, and needs to go right here, but this is harder to complete. Go up, right, inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up inverted, front. And you can see you have the two over there. You can go to the left side by doing up inverted, left, up inverted, left inverted, up, front, up, and front inverted. You can see, using these two algorithms, you will be able to complete the first two edge pieces. You either get a dot when you finish the first two edge pieces, or this. And the line. You have to get the line to get across, and just choose front, right, up, front. And you can see it's all complete and lined up. To get this, to make a cross that's kind of perfect, you have to go up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted, up, left inverted. But it's not complete.
Come here, it's snowing.
You can complete
Shut the door.
You can either go up inverted, right, up, left, up, right, You turn this, go up, right, and these two are complete. You can able to do the same algorithm I taught you here. I can here, when you get this, it's in the correct spot. See, white and red, it's 2, white and orange 2, yellow and orange 2, yellow and red 2. Now you can, this is the same algorithm, but it's gonna mess up the green. In the end, it's gonna come up together. Go right over the down, right down, right over the down, right down. We turn only the up section. Go right over the down over the right down. 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 Up. Right over the down over the right down. Right over the down over the right down. Right over the. Okay, up. Right over the down over the right down. Right over the down over the right down. 1, 2, 3. It's complete. Your first Rubik's Cube is complete. Da 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 da.